Mr. Rose, I've been thinking about something. Can the friends you have really change your life? Like, really, really?
That's a great question, Lee. And the answer is yes. Your friends can have a huge impact on the choices you make, how you feel about yourself, and even the kind of person you grow up to be.
Wow. I thought friends were just people you play with at recess or sit next to in class.
They are that, but they're also much more. Think about this. When you spend a lot of time with someone, you start to talk like them, act like them, and sometimes even think like them.
Oh, like when I hang out with my cousin and suddenly I start using all his silly catchphrases.
Exactly. Friends influence us in small ways every single day. If your friends like learning, being kind, and trying their best, you'll probably start doing those things too.
So, friends are kind of like teachers?
In a way, yes. Friends teach us how to treat others, how to handle problems, and how to make choices, sometimes without even realizing it.
Fun fact alert, I heard that kids learn behaviors by watching the people around them, especially friends.
That's absolutely true, Lee. Our brains are amazing at copying what we see. That's why choosing good friends is so important.
What makes someone a good friend?
A good friend encourages you. They cheer when you try something new. They don't make fun of you when you mess up. They help you feel safe, confident, and proud of who you are.
I like friends like that. They make school way more fun.
They sure do. Good friends also help you make good choices, even when things get tricky.
What if a friend is always getting into trouble?
That can be tough. You can still be kind to them, but you don't have to follow bad behavior. Being a good friend doesn't mean copying everything someone else does.
So I can be nice and still say no?
Absolutely. Saying no to bad choices is actually a very brave thing to do. True friends will respect your decisions.
That makes me feel better. Sometimes it's hard to speak up.
It is. But remember, you're in charge of your choices, and the right friends will help you stay on the right path.
Can we do a quiz? I love quizzes.
Of course! Which friend is a good choice? A friend who encourages you to learn and be kind. A friend who tells you to break rules. Or a friend who makes fun of others.
Easy, the first one. Friends who help you grow are the best kind of friends.
Correct! Friends should lift you up, not pull you down.
So the circle you keep really does matter more than you know.
It does, Lee. Your friends help shape your habits, your confidence, and your future.
That means I should also try to be a good friend too.
I love that thought. Being kind, helpful, and encouraging makes you someone others want in their circle.
I'm going to think about who I hang out with and how I treat them.
That's a wise choice. Surround yourself with people who help you learn, laugh, and grow. Choose friends who are positive, respectful, and ready to do their best.
And remember to be that kind of friend every day.
Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning with Fresburg Cartoon.